A downtown office tower is the first in Canada to get a geothermal retrofit. This energy overhaul will save thousands of dollars over time, and it will cut carbon emissions by 85%. As Richard Zussman explains, it's still cost prohibitive for your average home.
Deep below 777 Dunsmuir, drilling is underway, plunging nearly 50 stories into the earth. Infrastructure is being built for Geo-exchange power. What's left after the drilling are these green covers, a sign a lot of work has been done.
The idea of the boreholes, again, is the transfer of energy from the building and to store it in the ground.
The project is expected to cut carbon emissions from the building by 85%. How it works is like this. During summer months, heat is collected and stored, later to be used to power the building in the colder winter months.
What we're doing is we're building a rechargeable battery. We're using the earth as the charging medium, and we're harvesting energy in the building.
But at this point, there aren't construction crews popping up across downtown to implement the technology in other buildings.
Well, this is the first of its kind in Canada, but we would expect that other buildings will follow suit.
Once the drilling is done, this is what the final product looks like. The energy can then be taken from being stored in the ground in wintertime, pumped back through these pipes, and ends up in a mechanical room where it can be distributed through the building. This sort of work is not just happening in skyscrapers. About 1% of homes nationwide are either building or converting to the energy source. This development in Tsawwassen will be entirely geothermal.
Tying in 2 wells for this heat pump.
For a home unit, the cost of doing this sort of construction is about $15,000 more than a normal furnace, but the homeowner would never have to pay for fuel again.
For every dollar worth of electricity that you buy to run your system, you get $3 to $4 dollars worth of heat from the earth.
But with the initial cost still being the biggest barrier, the question is whether a majority of homeowners will buy into this technology. Richard Zussman, CBC News, Vancouver.